Saan naman kaya ginanap ang Asian Top Choice Awards 2024 awarding ceremony? Kung saan hinirang na Outstanding Achiever Awardee in Public Service ang ating Hepe Pau Chief Persida Acosta.
Kaya naman, sabay-sabay nating panoorin ito.
We can't contain our gladness. We want to express our happiness. We're overfilled with joy today. We have a celebration for a good reason. We're done with many nights of weeping. This is our morning of rejoicing. Good vibes in the air, we truly feel. And there's the voice of the people saying, Chief Acosta, you're defending the people's rights. You keep on fighting the good fight, the justice and public service. You've dedicated your life.
For the second time, the Asian Top Choice award-giving body recognized our Chief Public Attorney, Pau Chief Persida Acosta, as an outstanding achiever in public service. The conferment ceremony was held at the Golden Ballroom in Okada, Manila. During the awarding ceremony, she was also honored as one of the keynote speakers of the night.
I am grateful to the women and men of the Asian Top Choice Awards for inviting me as one of the keynote speakers tonight and for giving me the honor of being an Outstanding Achiever Awardee in Public Service. You also conferred this very same award to me last year, as I remember, on June 24, 2023, in this very same elegant venue, the Golden Ballroom of Okada Hotel, Manila. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtitiwala sa inyong lingkod.
She also acknowledged her fellow awardees during her brief speech as she expressed how grateful and honored she is to be among the selected outstanding achievers.
I would like to congratulate my fellow awardees tonight. I am honored to be recognized with you all. You are the inspiration in your respective field of business and endeavors. I trust that you will continue to serve as guiding lights and stars of the younger generation and people who look up to you as role models and heroes.
Before ending her speech, Pau Chief Persida Acosta once again thanked the Asian Top Choice Awards for their dedication and hard work and encouraged them to continue with their noble works and inspire more public servants for the greater good of the Filipino people and our country.
I wish them to continue their good work kasi nai-inspire ang mga public servants like us na lalo namin pagbutihin ang aming trabaho.
Ang lakas po at ningning na nakita sa atin ng Asian Top Choice Awards ay mananatiling inspirasyon sa atin, sa ating bayan at hamon sa atin na magpatuloy sa ating pagpupunyagi na makamtan ang ating pinapangarap para sa ating mga kababayan. Ang mabuhay sa isang bagong Pilipinas na may higit na saya, higit na kaunlaran, na hatid ay isang masaya at bagong umaga.
Chief Acosta, you're defending the people's rights. You keep on fighting the good fight, the justice and public service. You've dedicated your life. You're deeply touching others' lives. Chief Acosta, you're defending the people's rights. You keep on fighting the good fight, the justice and public service. You've dedicated your life. You're deeply touching others' lives. You're fighting the good fight. This cannot be denied. Onward and fighting.
For #PalaNews, Amy Ravello, one with Pau Chief Persida Acosta, Justice Against Poverty.